Je m'appelle chaohaiwangkc, enchanté to Hong Kong. Hi, this is chaohaiwangkc. Nice to meet you. Today, we're going to talk about French. Yes, from today on, we're going to talk about French and English. We're going to learn French and English. Don't worry, it's not that difficult. If I can do it, you can do it. Let's check. Today, we're going to talk about 10 sentences in French. Number 1, it's bonjour. Bonjour, it means good morning, or you can say good afternoon. That's easy, right? In English, we have good morning and good afternoon, but bonjour, it means good morning, and it also means good afternoon. So one sentence solves two problems. Once again, bonjour. Remember this letter R, it pronounces a h sound. A lot of people, when they see letter R, they will think about, oh, this letter R, I should pronounce R to I should twist my tongue like this So they pronounce this word in a wrong way, which is bonjour. Yes, I know. The pronunciation sounds like great, wow. But actually it's wrong. I'm sorry. So this one, bonjour. This is the first one. Number 2, it's yes, you're right. We just mentioned good morning, good afternoon. It's bonjour. Now we're going to talk about how to say good evening. It's bonsoir. Bonsoir. Do you remember letter R? We should pronounce h sound. Bon, it means good. Soir. Yes, you're right. You know that. Bonsoir. Excellent. Now let's go on. How to say yes in French. It's oui. It's very easy. It's not like W-E, that's oui. But this one is oui. Oui. It's a little bit shorter. Now let's review the 3 words we just mentioned. Bonjour, bonsoir, and number 3, oui. I told you it's not difficult. You got it. Number 4, we just mentioned yes, and now it's time to talk about no. How to say no in French? It's, wow, some of you know this one. Non. Non. How to remember this pronunciation? It's very easy. Let me give you a tip. Cover letter N, and then we have on. Release your hand. We have a non. Non. Pretty easy, right? How to say thank you? Yes, this one is very useful. We use this one every day. Merci. Merci. Look at this man. What does this man mean with this gesture? Yes, you are right. It's very good. How to say very good in French? It's très bon. Très, it means very. Bon, we just mentioned that. Bonjour, bonsoir. Bon means good. So très bon means very good. Let's review the words we just mentioned. Now we have très bon. It means very good. And just now we mentioned how to say thank you or thanks. Yes, it's merci. Merci. And then we have non. Non. Excellent. Now, let's check number 7. Look at this woman. She's eating the food is very delicious. So in French, it's yes, it's similar. Délicieux. Délicieux. Remember this letter E with this thing? It's like pinyin or shengdiao in Chinese. A, it's like a day. Hey, may, A sound. Délicieux. Next one. How to say it is in French? It's a c'est. C'est. Now we're going to make some sentences. Just now we learned how to say very good. It's très bon. Think about this. How to say it is good in French? We just mentioned it is. It's c'est. Bon, it's good. So it is good. C'est bon. C'est bon. How to say it is very good in French? C'est très bon. C'est très bon. Excellent. You are amazing. And next one, let's check how to say it is delicious in French. We just mentioned delicious. It's délicieux. Do you remember? Délicieux. C'est délicieux. Excellent. So how to say it is very delicious in French? It's c'est oui, oui, oui. You're right. C'est très délicieux. How to say thank you? Merci. The last one, it's merci beaucoup. Beaucoup, it means a lot. Thanks a lot. It's merci beaucoup. Let's have a quick review about today's sentences. Number 1, we have bonjour, bonsoir. Then we have oui, merci, non, très bon, délicieux, si. Then we make some sentences, and then thanks a lot, merci beaucoup. Alright guys, that's all for today. I'll see you next time. Peace.